In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom into a specific area on CapCut video. So the first thing you want to do is run up CapCut and then import the video you would like to zoom a specific area into. Now, this one is just one of my tutorials on this channel, so I'm just going to show you in this instance. And what you first have to do is just click on the video down here in the timeline on the sequence, and then you want to go to Video, top right, and into Basic. In here, you have this option where you can see transform. So in case it's like this and hidden, you want to basically just expand it by clicking on it. And over here, you've got your scale. So what we're going to do is zoom into this registration part of this video over here. And the way you can do this is just position yourself to where you would like the zoom to start. So let's say this is going to be over here. And then once you are positioned at that place, what you have to do is simply click on this keyframe over here where it says add keyframe. So click on that. And then after that, this zoom will start. So you then want to go to the position where you would like the zoom to be finished. So let's say I'm going to go a couple frames further. There we go. And then on here, I'm going to create a new keyframe by just clicking over here. So if I zoom this in for your better vision, there we go. That's how these things look like. So this is the first one, and then I'm going to want a zoom over here. Then position yourself on this keyframe and simply basically adjust the scale. So let's say we're gonna put it to about 320, and then you can move it around if you want to the specific part of your video. And just like this, if I now go out of here, as you can see, it's gonna zoom in. So as you can see, there we go, it did a zoom effect in there and it zoomed into a specific part of the video. Now, of course, right now, as you can see, it's not really fitting because this part of the screen is now kind of gone upwards and you can see the black bar down here. So in case this happens to you, you can just reposition your video. And before you start doing this, make sure you have the position keyframe as well. So make a position keyframe at the default spot, which is this place over here where you made the scale position, and then you want to go to the second one over here and make sure you create another keyframe in the position as well, and then you can adjust this position too if you want to, zoom it some more if you would like. And if you then go back, as you can see, there's no black bars, it just looks how it should. So from here, it's gonna just zoom into that part and keep the zoom. So if you don't want the zoom anymore and you want to zoom out from there, what you can do is basically, can you see this reset button up here? You can just click the keyframe as well over here, and you don't want to click that even though it's tempting, because if you click this, look what happens, it will just delete all the keyframes. What you have to do is basically just make it the way this part is over here. So as you can see, it's at 100, 0, 0. Just go to the third keyframe and then make this 100 and then 0, 0 as well over here. And just like this, it's gonna go in and then it's gonna go back out to the normal. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. And by the way, if you would like to get the pro version of CapCut, and if you're thinking about it, there's a link down below in the description. You can check out that link and you can get a discount on CapCut Pro by signing up with my link. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.